Okay. What's up, guys? So today, we're going to be playing Roblox. I don't know what games we should do, but we're going to be playing Roblox. Hold on. Wait. You didn't accept my friend request yet? Okay, what should I play? I'm gonna play. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna play. Build a boat for treasure first. That's one of my favorite Roblox games. Turn the fan on. I'm hot. Okay. That's better. I want to pop. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to make a video of popping balloons. Or maybe, guys, so tomorrow we're probably going to have a water balloon fight with the rest of the balloons I have. Actually, how much do I have? Okay, I'm gonna join white team actually. Actually yellow. Oh my god, I have to build a new boat. Yellow. Alright, I'm about to build a boat because I accidentally deleted my thing. Wait. Okay. I'm about to build a new boat. How big should it be? Every time I walk up. Okay. Wait, is that big? No. I know what I'm gonna do. Just clear. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is this. And if you guys play this game, if you wanna learn something new that you've never learned before, just follow the instructions that I'm doing. So I'm gonna restart. So first, get any block. I think it's any block, but if not, get the wooden blocks, and then follow the instructions. Stack 2 blocks on top of each other, and then put 1 block on each side of the top block, like this. And then you're gonna zoom in. Then you're gonna jump on it, and then look down, and then find this piece. Wait, where is it? How much? 7. All right, this piece. Click the up arrow and then place it like that, and then get one of the butter blocks and then place it right there. And then you're ready. Okay, and then you can zoom out. Okay, and then I'm gonna click launch and go. What the heck? At least I did it, guys. God, I did it wrong. No! I wasn't standing on it fully. Okay, this is it like Darth Vader, bro? I'm gonna redo it. Why didn't I save it? I don't even care. I'm gonna just use these. One. No. Is he copying me? This. Stand up here. Like this. Zoom in. And then we need the butter block. Okay, then I'm ready. Is he ready? What is he building? No idea. What's this? Okay. Wait a minute. Is he ready? Oh my god, what is he doing? Doing this goofy. Wait, what? That actually might be smart. I'm launching. Should I? Alright, this man. No, give me up. Yeah, I had the wrong block. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Why doesn't only use wood? So when you watch this, just use wood. Okay. I'm never building a boat again. I'm just gonna do this. It's way easier. You don't even have to build a boat. Building a boat takes forever unless you save it. There. Ready. Come on. They're going to be on YouTube. You are going to be on YouTube. Bro. guys. It's whirling. Whirling like a ballerina does. Freeze. Oh, no, 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 no. Bro, y'all see what I have to do? Half of my stuff is gone. Bro, I'm just gonna let it kill me. Actually, I'm playing something else. I keep that. Some of my dogs. Every time I walk a dog. Oh my god. Okay, leave. I'll keep that blick inside my dogs. Every time I walk a dog. Somebody called me black on the when I was playing Brookhaven, so I reported. Let me play Brookhaven. Dang, it's already that time? Okay. Well, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.